Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Raghunatha R, Social Science Teacher, Government High School, Badavanalli, Madhugiri Taluk, Tumkur District. Dear friends and students, in the last video, we discussed about what is soil, importance of soil, and types of soil. Under the types of soil, we discussed alluvial soil and block soil. If you have not watched the first part, the link of that video is in the description. You can go and watch it. Dear students and friends, in this video, we are going to learn about red soil, laterite soil, desert soil and mountain soil. Dear students, now we are going to discuss about red soil. Red soil is one of the important soil of India. Dear students, can you say how is the red soil formed? Red soil is formed by the weathering of granite, gneiss and crystalline rocks. The red soil is formed by the weathering of granite, gneiss and crystalline rocks. Red soil is red in color. Red soil is red in color. Dear students, do you know why is the red soil red in color? Red soil is red in color because it contains a greater proportion of iron oxide. Dear students, do you know red soil is less retentive of moisture because they are more sandy and less clayey. Look at this picture. This is red soil. Red soil is red in color. In India map, the areas which are covered by red soil are shown dark red in color. In India map, the areas which are covered by red soil is shown in dark red color. In India, red soils are mainly found in some parts of the country. They are Southern Karnataka, parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Goa, Bihar, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland and West Bengal. These are the states mainly have the red soil. Dear students, do you know which are the crops grown on red soil? Yes. Your guess is right. Ragi, millets, groundnuts, tobacco, potato and some other crops grown on red soil. Dear students, I hope you understood about red soil. Now I am going to explain about laterite soil. Dear students, do you know where can we find laterite soil? We can find the laterite soil in tropical region. We can find the laterite soil in tropical region. Tropical region means ಉಷ್ಣವಲಯ. ಉಷ್ಣವಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಟರೈಟ್ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. How is the laterite soil formed? How is the laterite soil is formed? Laterite soil is formed under the conditions of high temperature and high rainfall. This soil is formed under the conditions of high temperature and high rainfall. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಉಷ್ಣತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಳೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೋ ಅಂತಹ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಟರೈಟ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ನನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾಣಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. Dear students, can you say is laterite soil useful for the cultivation? The laterite soil is not useful for cultivation because it is leached soil and not fertile. Laterite soil is leached soil and not fertile. Leached soil means ತೊಳೆಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಮಣ್ಣು, ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಳೆ ಬೀಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲವಣಾಂಶಗಳು ಖನಿಜಗಳು ತೊಳೆಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟು ಭೂಮಿಯ ಆಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಳಿಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲ್ಪದರದ ಮಣ್ಣು ಅದು ಫಲವತ್ತತೆ ರಹಿತವಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣು ವ್ಯವಸಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾಗಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲ್ಯಾಟರೈಟ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಶನ್. ಡೂ ಯು ನೋ which are the crops grown on laterite soil? Dear students, do you know which are the crops growing on laterite soil? Cashew, rubber, tea and coffee, paddy and some other crops grown on laterite soil. Dear students, look at this picture. This is laterite soil. The laterite soil is mainly found in areas that have high temperature and high rainfall. Students, let's see wherever the laterite soils are found. Laterite soil is mainly found in uplands of Western Ghats, uplands of Eastern Ghats, the Chotanagpur Plateau, Meghalaya Plateau, the Rajmahal Hills, and the hills of Vindhyas and Satpuras. We can find the laterite soil in these areas. Dear students, in India map, the areas which are covered by laterite soil is shown in red color. The red color indicate the distribution of laterite soil. In India map, the red color indicate the distribution of laterite soil. Dear students, now we shall discuss about one more important type of soil, that is desert soils. Desert soils means ಮರುಭೂಮಿಯ ಮಣ್ಣುಗಳು, ಮರುಭೂಮಿಯ ಮಣ್ಣು. What are the conditions required for the formation of desert soil? What are the conditions required for the formation of desert soil? Desert soils are formed under desert and semi-desert condition. Desert soils are formed under deserts and semi-deserts condition. ಮರುಭೂಮಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅರೆ ಮರುಭೂಮಿ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮರುಭೂಮಿಯ ಮಣ್ಣು ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. Dear students, desert soils are formed under the condition of low rainfall and high temperature. Desert soils are formed under the condition of low rainfall and high temperature. Now, let's see the characteristics of desert soil. The main characteristics of desert soils are fairly friable, high content of soluble salt, it is sandy, and the desert soils are low in moisture and humus. Fairly friable means ಪುಡಿ ಪುಡಿಯಾಗುವ, ಹರಳಾಗಿ ಅದು ಪುಡಿ ಪುಡಿಯಾಗತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಲಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್. ಮರುಭೂಮಿಯ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಗುವ ಲವಣಗಳ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮರಳಿನ ಕಣಗಳು ಕಂಡುಬರುತ್ತವೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ತೇವಾಂಶ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಜೈವಿಕ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು ಕಂಡುಬರುತ್ತವೆ. These are the characteristics of desert soil. By these conditions, the desert soil are not suitable for the cultivation of many crops. However, some crops are grown where irrigation facilities are available. ಮರುಭೂಮಿಯ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಲವಣಗಳ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಳೆ ಬೀಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ಮರಳಿನ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಯಲು ಸೂಕ್ತವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಾವರಿ ಸೌಕರ್ಯಗಳು ಕಂಡುಬರುತ್ತವೆಯೋ ಅಂತಹ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಜನ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಆನ್ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಆರ್ millets and alfalfa. Millets and alfalfa are the major crops grown on desert soil. Dear student, look at this picture. This is desert soil. The desert soil is formed under the condition of low rainfall and high temperature. ನೋಡಿ, ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮರಳಿನ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಣ್ಣು ಯಾವುದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮರಳೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮರುಭೂಮಿ ಮಣ್ಣು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುರುಚಲು ಜಾತಿಯ ಗಿಡ ಮರಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಡುಬರುತ್ತವೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಳ್ಳಿ ಜಾತಿಯ ಮರಗಳು ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕಂಡುಬರುತ್ತವೆ. ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ದ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಮೇಜರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್, ಸದರ್ನ್ ಹರಿಯಾಣ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾರ್ದರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಜರಾತ್. In these areas, we can find the desert soil. In India map, the distribution of desert soil shown in red color. The red color indicates the distribution of desert soil. Here, the major parts of Rajasthan, Punjab, Southern Haryana, northern part of Gujarat have the more percentage of desert soil. Dear students, after the explanation of desert soil, we are going to learn about another important soil, that is mountain soil. Mountain soil means parvata mannu. My dear children, can you say where can we find mountain soil? Let's see the answer. Mountain soils are mainly found on the slope of mountains. Mountain soil are mainly found on the slopes of mountains. ಪರ್ವತಗಳ ಇಳಿಜಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಬರುವ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಪರ್ವತ ಮಣ್ಣು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಳಿಜಾರು, ಮೌಂಟೈನ್ ಪರ್ವತಗಳ ಇಳಿಜಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಬರುವ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಪರ್ವತ ಮಣ್ಣು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. Dear students, do you know how the mountain soil are formed? Mountain soils are formed due to the decomposition of organic matter. Decomposition means decay, means ಕೊಳೆಯುವುದು. ಯಾವುದು? ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಜೈವಿಕ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳ ಕೊಳೆಯುವಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣು ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಪರ್ವತಗಳ ಇಳಿಜಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಣ್ಯಗಳು ದಟ್ಟವಾಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಮರಗಳ ಎಲೆಗಳು ಉದುರಿ ಕೊಳೆಯುವುದರಿಂದ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಅನೇಕ ಜೀವಿಗಳ ಅವಶೇಷಗಳು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣು ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಮೌಂಟೈನ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಚ್ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮಸ್. Mountain soils are rich in humus because the mountain soils are formed due to the decomposition of organic matter. Hence, the mountain soils are rich in humus and fertile. Hence, they are suitable for the cultivation of plantation crops. They are suitable for the cultivation of plantation crops like tea, coffee and fruits. ಪರ್ವತ ಮಣ್ಣು ಫಲವತ್ತಾಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಇದು ಅನೇಕ ತೋಟಗಾರಿಕಾ ಬೆಳೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲಕರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀ, ಕಾಫಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. Dear students, where can we find the mountain soil? The mountain soil found in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Manipur and along the Western Ghats we found the mountain soil. Look at this picture. This is the mountain soil. In India map, the areas which are covered by mountain soil are shown in solid grey in color. These areas covered by mountain soil, especially Jammu and Kashmir and eastern states, and also Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Some parts of Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats we can found the mountain soils. In my next video, I will explain about soil erosion, causes of soil erosion, effects of soil erosion, soil conservation, and measures adopted for soil conservation. Thank you.